Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check PC specs on Windows 11. So you want to check your computer specification, you want to check the RAM, you want to check the ROM, you want to check the Windows operating system, and you want to check your name. You want to check everything, the processor, the CPU of your Windows computer. Then here's a video for you. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now here, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can use to check your PC specs on Windows 11. So the first approach is click on the Start button, select Settings. On the Settings page, click on System. Scroll down the System page, just keep scrolling. Select About, where you see Device Specification, Rename PC, and Windows Specification. Then here you should see Device Specs. So this is your computer specification. You have the device name, processor, the RAM, ID product, and then the rest of them. Another way you can use to check PC specs on Windows 11 is click on the Start button, then search for System Information. So once you type System Information, click on Open, where you see your system information. Then hang on, then you should see your PC specifications here. If you click on Advanced, then you have access to all your PC system information. So you can have the product name, the product number, serial number, your PC memory, the processor name, the BIOS system version, the keyboard revision, and then the rest of them. Now the last approach you can use to check PC specs in Windows 10 and Windows 11 is press the Window key plus R button to run the command button, then type this command: misinfo32, and click on OK. Then you should see your system information pop. On the system information, you have items and value. Then you can now take your time to check through the PC specs. You see that? You can also come here, click on software environment, expand the menu, and search for whatever you want to know about the PC specs. So that's exactly how to find PC specs in Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.